让孩子有能力选择并从事适合自己的终身运动。
Literacy is the DNA of the 12-year basic education curriculum reform. To implement literacy-based physical education curriculum and teaching, the Sports Administration (MOE) commissioned NTNU to carry out the Quality Physical Education (Qpe) program since 2014. In addition to selecting examples of quality lesson plans and school-based curriculum of PE, school teachers and teacher educators are invited to develop and promote teaching materials nationwide. Lifelong physical activity has always been one of the most important goals in PE, compared to the past when the main strategy was through skill learning and experiencing the joy of sports. Competency-based PE emphasized that pupils should be provided with the opportunity to apply their learning in relevant context. It is expected that the pupils will be more likely to extend the learning to daily life. For example, the beginner of volleyball. Simplified tasks could be used to enhance pupils' motivation and confidence. They will then develop relevant skills, understanding, and teamwork through modified games. Physical fitness classes should also go beyond physical fitness testing. Pupils will be taught to review their engagement in physical activity and to choose or plan appropriate physical activity. We believe that there are many dedicated PE teachers, but when faced with a more student-centered and differentiated educational philosophy, such as every child would achieve their goals, their previous educational and teaching experience might not allow them to easily make such attempts and changes. Therefore, the Sports Administration's Quality Physical Education (QPE) program launched the teaching experiment in 2019 to select PE teachers from elementary, middle, and high schools to try out the developed competency-based PE materials. The teachers were also supported to try new ideas through the participation of workshops, lesson study, and peer observation. During this process, the QPE program worked with the International Physical Literacy Association for 3 consecutive years. Nigel Green from the UK was invited to lead workshops in Taiwan to enhance teachers' understanding of the theory and practice of physical literacy-informed practice. And he then continued to work with the program through online meetings. Through this cooperation, we learned that the challenge we faced was also happened in many countries, not exceptional, and thus gained more confidence and knowledge about how to implement physical literacy-informed PE. In order to bridge the learning across different stages of the grade 1 to 12 curriculum, the QPE program brings together outstanding PE teachers from elementary, middle, and high schools, and is with the strong support of PE teacher educators from various universities. We work together on the development, experimentation, and promotion of new curriculum. The teachers who have volunteered to participate in the QPE program are not only highly qualified, but also members of the coordinators of HPE advisory groups and High School PE Resource Center who are involved in the promotion of a local or central curriculum. We can see the possibilities of high-quality physical education with their dedication. Our common vision is that through such systematic and rooted implementation, more teachers will see the possibilities of innovation in PE and ultimately enable our pupils to choose and engage their physical activity for life.
Physical education in elementary schools in Taiwan, like many other countries in the world, faces a common challenge. That is, the non-specialist PE teachers or classroom teachers have been teaching the students PE courses without receiving proper and adequate PE teaching training. Moreover, with the progression of time, these untrained teachers will become the majority of the teachers who teach PE, which will trigger the problem of social justice for PE learning of students. Therefore, in order to solve the problem of equal opportunities for physical education, the Sports Administration (MOE) and the Physical Education Research and Development Center of National Taiwan Normal University have been jointly developing the physical education program for the next generation, adopting the physical education teaching modules, PETM.
The PETM certification program has developed relevant teaching materials based on the on-site needs to modularize the PE course content for better utilization by the teachers. The relationship between the board games lesson structure module and competence-based instruction, play, PLAY. The relationship between track and field lesson structure module and competence-based instruction, enjoy, ENJOY. The relationship between educational dance lesson structure module and competence-based instruction, ECCA, ECCCA.
On one hand, the updated physical education materials and teaching strategies could further empower the teachers.
On the other hand, the students' learning experience in PE could also be updated. The PE Module C teachers would expand the teaching materials of the module to each county and city throughout Taiwan for further promotion, which would further trigger the research and study of the empowerment of the non-specialist PE teachers instead of one-shot training.
That students love sports and enjoy PE learning in an attempt to create a win-win achievement for both teachers and students.
Keeping up with the times, the trends of education are continuously developing, and the focus of physical education has shifted from purely skill and fitness training to the cultivation of an active lifestyle. It is for each individual to become a physically literate citizen. Therefore, to make gymnastics learning experiences with more possibilities, and to make the teaching design no longer limited to gymnastic skills, instructors must consider the use of a range of curricular and instructional strategies. Creating environments that are interesting, attractive, and motivating for pupils to learn, and allow them to engage in it during school time. Broadly applying tools and techniques for teaching and flexibly utilizing a variety of teaching resources. Presenting the gymnastics materials in a modularized structure, which brings innovative and valuable learning outcome in physical education. To enrich students' experience by providing extracurricular activities. This can move pupils' learning forward. Continuing to promote the professional development and certification of teachers, and cultivating new era instructors who not only understand competencies, but can operate teaching for competency development.
With the Ministry of Education's support, those above-mentioned strategies have been implemented. The promotion of gymnastics teaching in schools presents a brand new landscape. The elementary students enjoy participating in gymnastics games and competitions thoroughly. In the future, this endeavor should continue for the enhancement of students' physical literacy through gymnastics.
The transformation of gymnastics instruction is an example of the competency-based reform of physical education, in that motor abilities can be developed through gymnastics, and the core competencies of citizens are enriched and nurtured.